Okay, students, here we go. I've got a photo of I and my wife. I'm going to push start here, and it's spitting it over to the laser. So I'm going to show you this process. All right, we've got the fume extractor on. It's sucking all of the, what would be smoke of the burning wood through a filter. Otherwise this unit would fill up with smoke and it would fill the room with smoke. I've also got the CNC router getting a bulldog cut out here. Wanted to show you that process. Okay, so, and here's a couple that I printed on earlier this week. Laser, Patrick Mahomes picture. See the detail? Isn't that something? And then we've also got our tiger here. We'll fill this with epoxy later. How did I do that? Well, let me start over here. For the laser, I've got to open up this ULS icon. It takes it a little while to open it up. There it is. So this is the user interface, and I would pick my picture. I've converted this picture into a sketch, is what you saw, and I open it up, and there it is, and I go through the settings. Let me show you the way this started. The picture started as a regular picture. This is I and my wife at a concert. Jason Menaz, my son that got in a car accident that died, really liked him, so we went to a concert and we had a good time. So this was us at the concert. Then I took this picture, put it on my phone, and put it through the sketch program, and it turned it into a pencil drawing. And that is what I have uploaded into the laser program. Okay, and that's what we'll see printing over here. So it's got a ways to go. We'll see how well it turns out. Hopefully it's as good as the one that I did of Patrick Mahomes. Okay, I'm going to close that. So, you guys are, you know, if I were making your plaque, you would get me your picture, anything, you know, school appropriate. Could be a family picture, could be graphics off of Google Image, whatever. But this is the process and the program that we run our laser with. I'm going to get out of that and show you the router program. Okay, it is called Aspire. If I were to create a new file, I've got it set up here for a 10 by 10 plaque is what we've got running. I'm going to OK that. And then I've got to go to File, and I want to import a bitmap, and I've got it saved to my desktop. And it is the Bulldog that I've got running right now. So there it is. And I've got to trace that with the user interface. Yep. And I'm going to preview it. Looks good. So from there, I'm going to create a new, let's see here. I want to pick on it. Yep, get it pink, then create a new layer. Then I'm going to turn off the color layer, and that's what I want to see. Come over here to my V-carve bit is what I've got in the machine right now. And I pick V-carve. I've got it all set up for the right depth. I just calculate it, and it shows me everywhere that bit's gonna go. Now let's preview the tool path where the bit's gonna cut. And you saw it cut it, looks good. So then I would simply close this, and I would save it. Let's see how much time it's taken. It's estimating 47 minutes. I've had it going for a while, okay? So I'm gonna close that, and I would save it to my flash drive in the computer, which I now have over in the machine right here. And I put my wood in there, which is the document. I screw it down, and I find the 0 point, which I put as the center point. Okay, then I have to get the the Z located. Found that, and then basically I push go, and that's what we've got going here. All right, you can kind of see the bulldog. I'm going to open it and brush it off a little bit. It's got a sensor right here, so it knows when the door's open. For safety, it stops the bit. Okay, so you can see it. You can see it cutting the bulldog out. It's got a ways to go here. Let's see if it'll pick back up. Hopefully. Yep, going right where it left off. Let's see if it does. Yeah, it is. It's not starting over. Okay, so our next video, I will be showing you how we do the epoxy process, where we would pour the epoxy in. We have to put tape around it so it doesn't run off our board, and then we leave it overnight, and then we take the tape off. It would be rock hard, hopefully, and we're ready to sand it, and this is what we get after we sand it. Okay, so I'll show you that on the next video.